So, this is what I have been working on past 4 days and also thinking about for a month. You can hear the wind blowing and the duck is flapping. And it feels so good. So I'll show you how I made this. In first day. For the main character, which is duck, I'd like it to be white and blocky. After few minutes, here's what I made. And you'd think the duck was made using Blender, but it isn't. I just used Unity and it is made of 13 cubes. Since this duck was made with squares, it just looks like duck in Minecraft. I think this duck looks cute and nice for game what I'm making. I can just rotate wing and it rotates just like it should. This makes animating easy. In second day. I made duck rotate and I made a terrain which is for testing and just temporary. About 1 hour later, I finally made duck fly. It looks pretty hard to control, but it's super easy and also fun. And for better mood, I made fog, which is super easy to make in Unity. For the crash effect, I made juicy animation for it and it is made of cubes just like the duck. And I put it into the game. Also I added post-processing effect too. In third day. I animated the duck to flap. But, rather than using Unity's animating tools, I'd like to animate through script. And I'm big fan of procedural animation. After writing some scripts, this duck is flapping. Flying without flapping doesn't make sense. That's why airplane doesn't make sense. Haha. So, when the duck is flying faster than 90 km per hour, it doesn't flap its wing, and if the duck is slower than 90 km per hour, it flaps its wing. In fourth day. I added some nice sound effect for my game. First of all, dying sound, which is and next, wind sound. After writing script, I managed to make this. Let me explain how it works. The volume of wind gets lower when duck is slow and the volume of wind gets higher when duck is fast. And this applies to the pitch of wind too. If pitch is high, wind seems like fast, and if pitch is low, wind seems like slow. For mobile device, I added joystick. Here's some more epic gameplay. In next devlog, I'm going to add procedural generation for my game. Hope you enjoyed this devlog and stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe for more of these and like the video if you liked it, and hit the notification bell if you want notification when a video is uploaded. Thank you for watching this devlog and bye bye.